What the inverse curve actually means. MCB and MCCB use a time current characteristic TCC curve. This curve shows how long the breaker takes to trip at different multiples of its rated current. 1. Thermal region, overload, inverse time. This is where the bimetal strip operates. If the current is slightly above the rated value, for example 1.2 times to 5 times IN, the breaker does not trip instantly. Instead, it trips after a delay, and that delay becomes shorter as the current increases. This is the inverse part. Higher current, faster trip. Lower overload, lower trip. This protects cables and equipment from overheating while allowing harmless temporary overloads, like motor starting. 2. Magnetic region, short circuit, instantaneous trip. At very high currents, for example 5 times to 20 times IN depending on curve type, the magnetic coil activates. The breaker trips almost instantly, typically less than 10 milliseconds. This protects against dangerous short circuits. Different curve types, B, C, D, K, Z, define how sensitive this instantaneous region is. Why it's called inverse time. Because the relationship is literally inverse. So 2 times rated current, maybe a few seconds. 5 times rated current, maybe 0.5 seconds. 10 times rated current, instantaneous. This behavior is standardized in IEC 60898-1. As a last point, let's have a look on MCB types here. MCB types are defined by how quickly they trip under sudden surges, with type B being the most sensitive at 3 to 5 times the rated current for residential and lighting circuits. Type C offering a balanced 5 to 10 times range for general industrial loads and small motors, and type D allowing 10 to 20 times in rush for heavy-duty equipment like large motors and welders. Type K sits in the middle with 8 to 12 times tolerance, making it ideal for high-torque motor starts, while Type Z is the most sensitive of all at just 2 to 3 times, designed to protect delicate electronic and semiconductor equipment.
I'm a master's level electrical engineer based in Dublin with over 10 years of experience in medium voltage system design and substation protection. And this is Exa Power Lab, where I break down electrical engineering, product comparisons, and practical insights. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to check out the other videos on the channel for more.